welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna do the simplest recipe I can think of. Some people say like doing raw food or vegan, it's kind of overwhelming and complicated. You have to relearn a bunch of things. This is so simple. You can throw it together in like 5 minutes and it's actually so dope. It's like tastes so good. There's only 3 ingredients. So of course it's about getting the right ingredients. So I got these beautiful purple kales from the Hollywood Farmers Market. Look at that. And so I would just actually chop it like just loosely, just to make it more bite-sized. Oh, where's my knife? So take your kale, chop it. They say that you feed each chakra according to the color of your food. This is a beautiful deep purple, so I don't really know what that means, but it's really an unusual color, so beautiful. Green inside, purple on the outside. So I like when I get back from the farmer's market, I like to wash my things in water, apple cider vinegar, keep the water so it keeps my vegetable and leaves super fresh. You won't believe it. It actually, like the apple cider vinegar can revive. If you've had your leaves in the fridge for about a week and it's like kind of limp, this will crisp it up immediately. Like leave it in there for 10-15 minutes and you're good to go. And then it might actually even last another week, although you should of course try and eat everything with the freshest life force you can find, you know. But yeah, definitely don't throw it away. You will not believe how much you can get things back to life just with apple cider vinegar. It's also one of the best, like, you shouldn't have indigestion if you're eating raw food, but if you do have indigestion, just a little bit of apple cider vinegar, gone, like so quick. So it's one of my staples of my medicine cabinet. So we're gonna take some avocados and just open them up. Obviously avocado fat is amazing benefits for your body. Probably the healthiest fat you can put in there. Also the pip actually has a lot of benefits. So I know people who grind it and put it in their smoothies. And I also know a lot of people who actually eats the peel of the avocado because it has a lot of benefits in there. I think 2 for this would be good. I like to, whoa, to get the pip out, you just like, that's a big knife, so be careful, but you can use a little knife and just like, get it out the way I showed you by just twisting it, and it's really easy. So, got that. And I'm gonna add some beautiful Himalayan pink salt to tenderize the leaf So the fat and the salt is gonna break down the leaf and make it super tender, and you just massage it in. Oops. You can get all your frustration out of this. But seriously, if you have like hardly any food and you just have those 3 ingredients, it actually makes a really beautiful meal. So it's for days when you feel lazy and you don't want to do a bunch of prep, and you know, this is just awesome. It'll obviously, the longer you let it sit with the salt and the fat, the more integrated it's gonna get, and the easier it'll be to actually eat the leaves. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. But today, I think I'm gonna put some, just to make it a little extra nutritious and substantial, I might add some of these pumpkin seeds. So, I think, it's my dog going nuts. I think that's it. That's your beautiful salads. How do you like that? Done. Great meal, right? Can't wait to eat that.